Have you ever wondered what caused the Great Fire of London? Well, in this video, we'll explore the events that led to one of the most devastating fires in history. It was the night of September 2nd, 1666, in the heart of London. The summer had been long and dry, and the city was a maze of wooden houses packed tightly together. That night, Thomas Farriner was working late in his bakery on Pudding Lane. His oven was hot, and the timbers in his roof were old and dry. And at some point, a small spark caught. At first, it seemed nothing, just a flicker of flame. But within minutes, fire spread up the timbers and onto the rooftops. The city slept unaware. By morning, London was in chaos. Strong winds fanned the flames, turning them into an inferno. Church bells tolled as people grabbed what little they could carry. Bundles of clothes, family Bibles, a few coins, and fled through streets choked with smoke. By midday, the fire had reached St. Paul's Cathedral. It was the biggest church in London, and its stone walls were thought to be indestructible. But now they were glowing red, and the lead started to melt. People screamed as the molten lead fell like rain. For 4 days, the fire raged, unstoppable. Soldiers pulled down houses with hooks and gunpowder to try and slow it, but the flames roared on. The River Thames was crowded with boats, many of them overloaded, with families escaping the burning city. When the fire finally died, over 13,000 homes, 87 churches, and most of medieval London lay in ashes. Astonishingly, only a few lives were recorded lost, though thousands were left homeless. Out of the ashes, London rose again, rebuilt with stone, wider streets, and safer designs. But the Great Fire of 1666 remained a warning carved into history. How quickly a city can fall when flame and wind unite. The Great Fire destroyed London, but it also gave birth to the city we know today, stronger, safer, and forever changed. What version of the Great Fire of London did you hear? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love stories of history, legends, and epic events that shaped our world, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the next adventure.